Alright, quick update on mana. So in the last video we outlined that we do have this big M pattern, and we do have our price target of this M pattern coming all the way down to 182. So what happened since we made that prediction? We broke down quite strongly, came back up, and so far we've back tested the neckline of this M pattern, and we've started to turn down again. So this is going to be a really quick update video just to let you know that we have had a bearish retest of the 270. We did turn down quite strongly, and in my opinion we are gearing up to at least head down to not necessarily the price target. Do bear in mind I am just giving you the price target. I am saying that it is probably likely that we're going to come down to at least the 200-day moving average. That would be a much more conservative drop of 15%, but you can see from where we are now, if we were to fulfill the target of this M pattern, which you know, I mean, do bear in mind the money flow indicator is very low right now. Whenever the money flow indicator does get pretty low for this coin, money does normally flow in, so I would be expecting a move maybe down to the 200-day before having a bounce, more likely than, you know, coming all the way down to fulfill this target. So that is basically all I really see for mana. In the long term, you know, we have broken out of this macro downtrend, so don't be too bearish, because we are still above the 200-day moving average. We are still above this descending channel that we have now broken above. Could this be could it be bearish for the next couple of days or the next week? Yes, 100% easily. Do I think that necessarily that we're going to break down into this channel and then just start falling off the table? No, I personally don't believe that. But as I've been saying for all of my altcoin videos, I am sitting on the side for all of the altcoins right now, simply because, you know, Bitcoin is dropping, total crypto market cap is dropping, and the stock market is dropping like a rock. So in my opinion, all of the altcoins are getting ready for a very big move to the downside. For mana, sorry, that's Matic. For mana, you know, I do see us at least coming down to this 200-day. If we do have a strong bounce on it, then we can start, you know, well, I can't even start talking about being bullish until, you know, we do get above this neckline again, at least in my opinion. I would like to see us above 270 before I do get out of bed, and I would like to see a weekly close above it, because, you know, this is quite a big trend for a while now, so I would need to see more than just, you know, a wick to the upside or a daily close. I would need to see a weekly candle close to kind of make my decision. But yeah, just to reiterate, I do believe that we're going to come down to the 200-day. If we do lose that, the only place I really see us coming down to is this 29% drop to the M pattern target, or we could even drop something like 40% to come back test this trend line. And then if we do blast off from then, fair enough. If we do fall below this trend line, then we can start talking about going to hell, but that won't happen until we do break below. I'm not saying that we will, you know. I do think we're going to come and, well, you know, I believe we're at least going to fulfill the target of the 200-day moving average. So let's see what happens when we get to the 200-day. If we do have a strong bounce, so be it. If we do fall below the 200-day, like I said, I think we're going to have a 30% drop on our hand at that point. So that is all I see for Decentraland today. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.